was Patrick Kavanagh, and he was a bit of a drinker, hung out with the Dubliners and all these guys. They did Raglan Road together, and he had a lot of other poems that he wrote about that area. And one of them was called Canal Bank Walk. So I wrote this one. It's called Canal Bank Hangover Walk. And it's what I saw on my walk around that area on one morning. So here you go. Take a walk along the shady leafy banks. Sing a song when you're blue. Let the sun shine through. Say hello to Paddy. He's sitting on the bench where the lovers kiss on the canal gates. Roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle do and day. Roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle Now the bikes go by in 10s and 33s, and at the lights the green man's flash dancing will hold your own as you cross through the bike mill lane where the boatman is cleaning out the dirty bits. And roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle do and day. Roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle Quick your step along graffiti boardwalk, on and on down the weeping willow, and see the office folk with their lunch in the sun. And I've not yet had my breakfast. And roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle do and day. Roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle. Now me tongue goes wrong, me head still dumb. Time to turn at the empty Garda station and hit for home past Luther's lovely little church, passing the poor one-eyed people. And roudle-um, a doodle-um, a skiddery idle do and day. Roudle-um, a doodle-um,